Oh, good afternoon, people. Welcome to ST220 Restorations, my DH Customs. Sorry I'm sounding a little bit subdued. I've had to wait for about 10 hours for the sun to go in. It's too hot. So today I'm going to be changing the two rear doors on, as you all know, HOMESLICE with new wheels. Look. So yeah, I'm going to have them powder coated, and I think I haven't done silver. I bought 25mm spacers, another set. There's a focus lock sitting there shining, just waiting for. He's in at Ford next week for paint. Just paint ain't very shiny on it, so I'm having all this side completely painted. I know a lot of people think that I'm mad, but it's got to be right, people. It's got to be right. It's got to be shiny. A little imperfection down the bumper lock, a little scratch. That's being done. So yeah. So this video is going to show you. Let me get up. The thing wrong with these doors is I'm scabby as usual there. Look. Couple of dents. Don't know if the light's catching it or not, but see that there, look, dent. I'll get a new rubber out there. Right. I'll boot down. Gotta get this painted as well. So yeah, that this one's going on as well today, but oh, you know the thunder. How rotten that is, isn't it? Oh, I'm going to dig it all out and repair it, you know, try and retain the originalness, but yeah, no real dents on this one, just a few little bits, but yeah. And then there's the new doors. Oh, they're about a year now. They're not infrared, they're not far off, but off a nice clean state. Bodged. But yeah, the actual doors, scratches on them, but actually underneath and everything like new, so yeah. It's not like the airplane noises. So having that done at Ford as well. A couple of little bits there, but the dust on the splitter like that just from it sitting there. So yeah, these are going to go on in a minute. Easy enough to do. A lot of people just pull the pin. There's a pin here. You just pull that clip off there, but I'll just go on them bolts there where they are, get them 99%. Just squeeze these here. That comes out, and just I think the quickest I've changed one of these doors is about 4.5 to 5 minutes. But yeah, dent's really bad from it. I really see it. Yeah. So I'll take them off. Obviously with this one I've got to repair the winder and stuff, but what is that? Fluorescent spider, man. What the hell is that one? Yeah, I'll change the door handles. And what I'm going to do is, day before it goes in for painting, take the doors off, flat them all down, 600, finish them, and then they'll get epoxy prime under in the paint shop. So, but yeah. It was looking very good. Can't believe it's raining now. Yeah. Long overdue for painting this old boy. Right, back in a minute. Bye.